Step by teetering step, the shackled inmate is a former ITV News journalist. His fate in court is one thing, but on this, day 43 of his detention, it's his health now causing most concern.
I've got a fever. I'm not well, but I've been forced to come to court.
His lawyers are awaiting test results, which will show whether he's suffering from COVID-19. Hopewell Chin'ono is a reporter in Zimbabwe, but shortly after exposing corruption in the government, he received that knock at the door. He was arrested, then charged. Opponents of the government say this was punishment sanctioned by its leaders for his reporting on the president. Emmerson Mnangagwa's nickname is the Crocodile, but despite his reputation, there were hopes that his arrival in power might mark an end to the tactics used by his predecessor.
As long as dissidents come from a particular area, we will send troops to that area.
Robert Mugabe was ousted in 2017 after 37 years in power. But government opponents say nothing has changed apart from the president himself, and that Hopewell Chin'ono's case is evidence of that.
The manner of his arrest and his prosecution does seem to be directly linked to his reporting as a journalist on corruption in Zimbabwe.
But from the government, a familiar response with echoes of the Mugabe days. We're not the problem, they say. Other countries are.
I would say the so-called international community has been interfering in Zimbabwe's judicial system and in the Hopewell case in particular. They are interfering. The Zimbabwean government is enforcing its law, is governing, and they are interfering.
Given that it is often foreign agents that the government of Zimbabwe blames for stirring disorder, there's a tightrope to be walked in terms of the way that other countries respond. But in this case, the UK government has said that the authorities in Harare must respect the right to freedom of speech.
Government critics say what started as a single expose continues to reveal more about how Zimbabwe still works. Rohit Kaptru, News at 10.